The Iglesia ni Cristo will hold a quote peace rally on January 13. This was first announced last month amid the impeachment complaints against Vice President Sara Duterte. An INC statement states that they are against the impeachment as there are other problems that need to be prioritized. The Philippine National Police and the MMDA are now coordinating with the INC for security.
Saan daw sila mag-peace rally?
I don't know if siguro most of this will be held at Commonwealth. Kasi yung central
yung
nila
ano
is
nila,
well, we
Doon sa
respect
Commonwealth.
we'll respect naman the right of everyone
13
to
is ano ba yan? Monday.
Anyway,
Monday.
As I was saying, we respect naman the rights of everyone to rally, pero para sabihin mo na hindi dapat gawin ng impeachment, it's a process that's accorded in the law. So if there are basis for an impeachment, then at the very least, di ko sinasabi i-impeach si VP Sara, i-entertain yung complaint properly and give it the due course that it's needed to
Yeah. Pero ang sinasabi nga nila doon, tapusin na yung mga complaints para ma-consolidate na ng Congress, tapos mai-forward na siya.
Yeah, sa 13, abangan
para
natin.
para matapos na. Kasi ang nangyayari, may isa nagpa-file, tapos pangalawa, tapos pangatlo, tapos meron daw ngayon pang-apat, 'di ba? Ang
Kaya nga
hirap
sa
na
13, di ba? Abangan natin yung kung they have the numbers to transmit it to the Senate. Para yung bola, nasa Senado.
Pero itong peace rally na gaganapin sa January 13 by the members of INC ay hindi ko pa po tawag dito, hindi ko pa alam kung saan mismo, pero most probably dun sa Commonwealth, kasi sabi mo nga, di ba dun yung
Central.
parang central nila. And few weeks ago, or even before the holiday season, mga bago magpasko, ganyan. 'Di ba? Na rin sila, declare na rin sila ng tawag dito, ng intent na magrarally sila regarding
Siguro we can talk about that later on.